Hi, today we're being stupid. It's snowing. A lot. Like, what, that's maybe 6 inches, we'd say?
At least.
I want to drift my car. I want to see first if I can even get my car out of my parking spot.
We're just the idiots who condone this.
Yes.
Film squad. GoPro.
Keys.
He needs keys. He's grabbing stuff. They're all grabbing stuff. This actually is useful because they need to grab stuff anyway.
So it's an excuse for us to go out and grab stuff. And
While
have
watching
fun
me
with
be
it.
stupid.
Yes.
GoPro. Glove. This is legitimately one of the dumbest ideas we've had that sprung up in what, 20 seconds?
Yes.
Yeah, I posted on Snapchat. I'm like, should I do this? And they're all like, yes. I'm like, okay. It's snowy. It's really snowy. It's currently still snowing.
This is dangerous.
This is dangerous.
Why is it so deep?
Because it's snow. It's slippery. Yeah, it's slippery. Brush me. Ceramic coating is nice.
Okay, but are you just gonna leave it like that and deal with not being able to see?
No, because I have wipers. That's all I need. Thank you.
Yep. 2 seconds. Putting hood up.
Oh!
Did you just get snow in your car?
The one part that's not coated.
Oh, you. You know what? We're gonna open up the valves. Please open. It won't open. Fine. Shut up. I know I have a windshield wiper malfunction. It's because there's so much snow on the car. I'm not even going to be going fast enough to need these, but I still want it just in case if somebody gets mad.
I ain't knowing and welcome to Jackass.
We want to see if I can even get my car out of a parking lot before we do anything stupid. Ready?
It's free.
It does not like.
It's free.
It does not like this at all. I'm gonna put my foot down. Ready? Foot down. Power dead. It does not like this. Drive. If I put my foot down, it tries to kill it. So, turning off traction control. Can't turn.
He didn't even clear off his passenger side.
Oh.
I heard that. What's that? He's stuck.
Back one, two. Yes, I know there's something there. Thank you. Interesting discoveries I made.
Yeah.
You know how, like, when it died as I was leaving?
Yeah?
Yeah, I put my foot down and it died. It died when I gave it power.
Interesting.
Traction control doesn't like me. This is the first time I've driven this car in the snow with the new JCW tune on it. That was fun right there, where I just floored it and it did nothing.
Yeah?
I want to try something stupid. I really want to drift it.
I know you do.
You want to see me do it?
You know you want to do it.
I'll do it, fine.
Not be
I'm gonna drift it.
with
Away we go. Let's try this again. Stop cleaning the snow off your car, old man.
Here's, you can see this. That's a long way in.
Okay, I've turned traction control all the way off because with traction control on, it won't let me do anything. I don't think I can even get going. Okay, I'm putting down this camera.
Look at it just paving the way.
That would actually make for a cool picture though.
Yeah. There was one.
What was that?
It was the best I could do. It's front-wheel drive.
Where?
We can take my car.
It's in your car.
No, I'm good, thanks. Oh, is he gonna do it backwards now?
Oh, yes. All right. Here we see.
Hit a light pole. Hit a light pole.
Oh, yeah. J turn. There it is.
You gotta be kidding me.
There you go.
I am now doing backwards donuts.
There you go. There's some donuts right there.
It smells like burnt rubber. Can't stop, can't stop. No brakes. Was that more what you want? Yo, the Domino's dude is doing it. Yo! Domino's guy, you're the best. I don't know who you are, but you're my favorite.
Heck yeah, man.
Yes! You're the best, Domino's dude. That was awesome. Backwards donuts.
Heck yeah, dude.
Oh. Caden, your turn. You just finished cleaning off your car. It's your turn.
I'm not doing a donut.
Okay, that was so easy. It was literally crank the wheel and plant it. You want a passenger in my car and do it?
No, because I get dizzy really easily.
You want to do it?
I mean, if you drive,
Yeah.
I'm not capable.
Okay, give me this snow thing. I can't actually see what I'm doing.
Wah.
So much snow. We're trying it again. Traction control off all the way.
Heck yeah.
Okay.
Don't hit a car. Wonderful. Ooh. He gone.
Handbrake.
Oh, that was dangerously close to the curb. I think that was almost the curb.
Yeah.
Snow stupidity is the best thing in the world.
Yes, it is.
Perfect.
Parked.
All right.
That was dumb and I love it. Woo!
Yeah, buddy.
That was so stupid. That was dumb. I love it.
It really was.
How did that look from the outside?
Cool.
Awesome.
We almost lost it around that turn.
I saw that, yeah.
We're gonna see how close I got to hitting the curb over here. That was so close. Oh. Look at that. There's how close we were. There's the curb. We got, ready? 1, 2, 2.5 feet to wrecking my wheel on the curb. That could have almost been bad.
Yeah, just a little bit.
It wasn't.
It wasn't bad, no.
That was amazing. That was hilariously stupid. How'd my car sound too?
Cool.
Pops are really loud in the snow.
Yes, they are. They're very loud.
Okay, that was dumb. We're done now. We like snow.
Your ears are very red.
I'm aware it's cold. The inside of my lens ring has frozen over. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Mask on. We We good. Solid. Okay, if you like our stupidity, don't forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe for more of this stuff. But until next time, goodbye. I want to see what this looks like. Oh my god! It's like perfect donuts.
There you go.
That's awesome.